Hello and welcome again. I am Toto, helping you to earn online. Today we'll be looking at this great affiliate platform called TotleSoft, where you can earn online by completing simple tasks or get hired directly, either locally or remotely. But the first thing first, when you land on this profile and after you have created your account, one thing you need is to put your artisan profile perfectly well, because that is where clients will see you and start calling you. And that's why I'm going to guide you to do today, so that you don't make the mistake others are making. If you check other artisan profiles, you see that some of them are missing specializations. To avoid those errors and be attracted to clients is what I'm here to help you achieve today. All right, quickly, without further ado, I have already logged into my account. So what I want to do to go to my profile by clicking that button and going to profile. Now here is my worker profile. Right now, as you can see, if you go here, you see this create, edit, work portfolio. This is what we are doing today. This is the target of this lesson. All right, so what you do is to update it. Click update and it will take you to this page. This is where you create your worker portfolio. Now, if you are a mechanic, if you are an hairdresser, if you are a carpenter, a painter, a driver, an aboki, or whatever, this is where you specify it. You don't state too plenty things. Be specific. Go straight to the point. So the first thing there is your phone number. It's very, very important that you enter your phone number, because that is what they will use to contact you, and it has to be verified. Don't put in fake phone number there. All right, so I put my phone number now, for example, and then now the street where you live. It's very important that you put this, because artisans are checking for people close to them. That is the difference between TotleSoft and another platform. It helps clients to find workers close to them and also workers remotely. So in this aspect of this profile, you are setting your profile so that you can be located by clients who are close to you. They want to give you a job, maybe a carpenter job, a electrician job, a nanny job, a teaching job, a driver's job, or whatever. Maybe a barbing job, said they weren't looking for a barber. So whatever, you do it here and put it perfectly well. All right, so now your phone number is very, very paramount. You put it there and then you put the street. Be as specific as possible. Okay, then your city, make sure you spell it correctly. Spell it very well, because that's what search result use to find you. And they're looking for people that are around that city. They can get you. If you spell your city name wrongly or anyhow, they will not find you. All right, so put the city name correctly. Then your local government. All right, if you don't know your local government, you can browse it online so that you can know your local government. Take everything you are doing serious. Don't do things anyhow, because you are going far. You're not an anyhow person, so don't do things anyhow. That's why I keep telling people, whatever you must do it well. All right, your local government, I mean Obiakpo. Then your state, of course, it's Rivers. All right, then country. Country is Nigeria. Now, your country in your profile is detected automatically, but this one you're allowed to put it by your own hand. So mind what you put here. Don't go and put anything because you feel like putting something. Put the country that you belong to. All right. Now, specialization. This is the main place. Now, this is where you specialize what you do. Are you a carpenter? Are you a laborer? Or are you an engineer? Or whatever you do that will make them to call you, even if you're a hairdresser. This is where you put it. Don't go and specify big things here. Go straight to the point. For example, I'm a programmer. So what am I going to do? I'll just say programmer. Or software developer. Which covers other things. Software developer and content creator. Now, when you software developer, you put comma, which means that's one of my career. One thing I do is software development. Then number 2 is content creator. If there's another thing I do, I'll say comma and put it again. So that's how you do it. If you have like maybe 2 to 3 or 4, maybe a carpenter, you are a painter, you just put it like this, so that when it is mapped into the page on the website, they want to see all those one after the other. You don't join them together. You separate them with comma, because you have already been instructed as you came here. You see there. All right. Now I just want these 2 things: software developer, content creator. It's okay for me. Then you now come here, tell the client about yourself. What can you tell the client about yourself? This is where you sell yourself better. All right. So in case you don't know what to do, you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT. So this is who I am, and I want you to write a brief bio about me to use in my page, on a work page. to use on my profile on a work page. Now here in ChatGPT, we're going to say, for me, you might be anything you are doing. Maybe you might be a tailor or so. You specify what you are doing and say it to it, and it will give you us. But me, I'm a programmer. All right, you can write something like this for ChatGPT and say, please give me a brief and compelling bio to use in a work site that will attract client to me as a mean stack developer and content creator. Simple as ABC. Then you say go. And then ChatGPT will give you something powerful that you can use. All right. Here is it. This is wonderful. Mean stack developer, creative content builder. Do you see it? That means if you are to go back to your specialization, you should have just copy these two things: creative content builder one side, mean stack developer the other side. All right. So that is just it. Now let's copy everything. Now we'll go there. I'll show you how you can use something like this. First of all, I say I'm a programmer and I'm a content creator. But when I finish asking ChatGPT, this is what he gave me, and this is better tailored to what I should put in my profile. Now I asked ChatGPT to give me what to do. He gave me something, and then he specified these two specialization for me, which is mean stack developer and creative content builder. So I'm going to copy the two of them and use in place of. I'll cut this one now and then come here. I'll just delete this one. So I'll paste the first one. All right, put a comma, remember, and then I'll come here and then creative content builder. I'll cut it. All right, and then I'll paste it here. So these are the two specializations that is good for me based on what I ask him to do. Years of experience. How many years of experience do you have? For me, it's about 4 years. No, sorry, about 5 years. All right, 5. Just put 5. That is all. And then your video link to one of your videos, one of the job what we have done, and it's in YouTube. You can post your video to YouTube and copy, share the. Go to like you want to share the video. Copy the link of that video and then paste it here. All right. So this is the video URL that you need. Okay. Now, for your image portfolio URL, you need at least a maximum of 10 jobs that you have done. But if you don't have anyone, no need. You can leave all these things, they're not important. But if you have photos of what you have done, maybe if you are a tailor, you have sewn cloth, you can sew. You can post some of the cloth that you have sewn. You understand what I'm saying? Now, pictures of cloth you have sewn should be displayed here. If you are a painter, building of houses that you have painted should be here. If you are a carpenter, some of the good jobs you have done should be here as a furniture. Then if you are whatever, if you are a hairstylist, you do it like that. If you are an aboki, you can show where you have cleared and other things. If you are a laborer, you can show the site you have worked and anything you want to do. So just display something to make the client know that this person has been doing this thing before. But in case you don't have an image, then you can leave it like that. And one thing you should know that this site does not accept image. You only accept image links. So what do? You need to copy the image links from whenever the image are and bring them here. So one site I recommend for you to use, if you have your image already ready, you can upload them to this simple site called imgbb. All right, so when you come to imgbb.com, which is imagebb.com, that's how I call it, you can just start uploading your image directly without having to sign up or sign in. But if you're logging in, you can still have access to your photo later in case you want to find them. But if you don't need them, just something that you need temporarily, you can just come here and do it. You don't need to log in. So you can upload your image here and then use the link to use as a representation in that place, because you cannot upload image through those files. Now just say, let me upload something now to show you how it really works. You take it to your devices, then you look for an image that is inside your device to use that resonate to what you are doing. All right, for example, I want this image, and then I can able to click it, and then it will start loading it immediately, as you can see it. Now if you want to delete this image after some time, you can just say, you can come here and choose them and delete after so time, after 5 minutes, after so thing. But you don't need it to delete because your profile need to be up. So leave it like that. All right, now you can say upload. Now it's uploading your image to online. When it's done, it give you the link. Look at the link here. All right, when you give you this, the link you actually need here, just go and say HTML thumbnail link, or you can say HTML full link. Anyone it gives you, then you locate inside the link. You see where it puts SROC equals to. Everything after that SROC equals to, stop at the PNG or JPEG or anything it is. That is where you stop it. That's where you copy. All right, good. That is just all you need. This is all you need. You copy this image now, as you can see. You copy it. So you come here and you paste it here. That is it. If you don't have an image, you can go online and copy an image address that resonates to what you do, bring it from that place, copy the image address. To do that, you click an image and say show image in a new tab. When the image are displayed in a new tab, that means that is how the image is going to appear. Then you copy the address from there, and then you come here and paste it here. So either way you like, either you upload your own image to imgbb.com or other site, you can use other ones for free, and then get the link, which I can be sharing and be using everything you want to do, and then paste it here. Or you get a random image online that is not licensed and then use it just to display the work that you have done. I am a passionate full stack developer specialized in the mean MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js stack. I create fast, scalable, and visual engaging web applications that brings ideas to life beyond coding. I'm also a content creator who understands how designs, storytelling, and functionality work together to capture attention and drive results, whether it's building a powerful web app or creating content that connects. I deliver clean, modern solutions that help businesses grow. I will also add now, in addition, I am a certified Play Store app publisher because I have a console account which certifies me to be able to publish app to the Play Store. So with that done, we are set to go. So what we have to do, choose that we are available or not. Of course, I am available. Then the next thing you do now is to save your profile, and you are done. And it is done. Your profile created successfully. So we are done. That is just it. Though when a client view you now, this is what they are going to see. Now when a client comes here to search for workers and look for workers in your location, then or your specialization, they cannot put it like that. If I say Port Harcourt, now let me enter Port Harcourt. Look for workers in Port Harcourt. And then you will see workers are going to come out. Alright, these are people in Port Harcourt. These are people in Port Harcourt. Okay, you can see me here. I've appeared here. Are you seeing it now? Because it's correct. Let me view my profile and see how it look like. View profile. Good. This is me. Christopher Agolo, main stack developer. See that thing I told you? Creative content builder. That is why I told you to give me the comma, because it stands on its own. Look at now. If you have like 5 things with comma, they will all display here. So this is my state, Port Harcourt, Obiakpo, River State. I'm a passionate so look at all the write-up that are there. And then this is the video I told you, this link now. You can be able to watch video about me directly from here. But hello, I'm not playing that one. This is a video about what I've done as online to show that I can do what I'm doing. It's a YouTube video, so you can also do it too. If you don't have, it does not matter. But I'm just showing you how a profile should look like. Now this is my portfolio gallery. You can see the main stack developer, those images I put. Look at the display here now. Those links to those images are already here. I'm an app developer also, as you can see. I'm an online tutor, as you can see. So they're all here. Your contact, your phone number, your email, they click on this button to see your free phone number and email to engage you. So that is how it works. So you see, my profile is so beautiful. As you can see, everything is very, very well here. As you can see, everything is appearing very clean and clear. So this is what you should do. Put your profile in order, and then you are sure to have clients start calling you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.